Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the YouTube caption problem. So recently many of the users are facing this problem whenever they go to the YouTube application and just start watching any video, they cannot put a caption. Okay, so for today's video I'm going to show you how to do that in two ways. So let me just turn on any of the videos from my channel, then I will show you the initial way. You can see I have turned on one of the videos. Is running at the top right corner. You can see CC button. If you just tap on it, you can see the caption is visible here. Another is, if you just tap on the top right corner, there is a caption button. Then there are many options here like English auto generated. If you tap on it, then there are many of the languages here. You can select any of it. I have selected Russian. You can see the caption has converted to Russian language, and you can select any other language. Let's just select one of the language, Spanish. Okay, you can see the caption is being generated in Spanish. So this is how basically you can do it. And if this tutorial somehow helped you, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.